Okay, this is a Kingston hollow spindle engine lathe, model HK3000, serial number 037-01615. It's new in 1984. It has two 24-inch 4-jaw chucks. This is the rear chuck. That big hole. This is the front chuck. That's your bed. Taper turning attachment. Two-speed tailstock. And we're going to run it for you. It's a 12 and 19 32nd hole. It's a low RPM. It goes all the way down from 5 to 300 RPM. We're at the 5?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're at 5. Okay. All right. $15. Okay. Just bring it to high gear. It's 125. So we saw, 3 different speeds. We're going to feed it now. It's feeding it longitudinal. Nope, cross. Other direction. Now he's feeding longitudinal. Now he's going the other direction. So you saw a longitudinal cross feed.
Right.
Yep, he's going to engage the lead screw. Now lead screw's turning. It's a half nut, and we're threading. He's going to reverse it from there, going the other way. Okay. I guess just turn the, oh, that's a brake, and starting from there. Do it again? Yep, okay. I guess just turn the tailstock. That's the quill. And it's 2-speed. And there you go, nice and clean. See again that he's moving it now in more of a rapid. Okay. I'm going to walk around back, show you the serial number. Where was that serial number? Oh. That's your Thank you for watching the video.